di ba, may freedom of speech pero may limits.
Yeah.
Yung freedom or the right or the authority of the House of Representatives to initiate impeachment proceedings is constitutional. Wala pong problema dyan.
Okay.
Nasa konstitusyon. Ngunit, again, kailangang sumunod sa tamang proseso in the exercise of that power. Yun pong sinabi ng Korte Suprema doon sa Duterte versus House. Hindi naman po sinabing walang karapatan ang House at walang karapatan ng Senado na litisin kapag minatransmit na sa kanilang articles of impeachment. Ang sinasabi lamang po roon, kung gagawin mo yan, do it properly within the bounds set by the Constitution because, unang-una, hindi po biro-biro ang impeachment. You are dealing with impeachable officers. Who are the impeachable officers? Konti lamang po yan. The President, the Vice President, the members of the Supreme Court, and the chairman and members of the 3 constitutional committees, plus the Ombudsman. These are people running departments that have a vital function in a democratic society. Lalo na kung Presidente at Vice Presidente. Basically and technically, yung Presidente at yung Vice Presidente, pinili po yan to lead the country. Why?
Right.
Because in the absence of the President for any reason or incapacity, the Vice President takes over. So, nung binoto mo yung Presidente, you voted for him or her fully conscious of the fact that she may one day, she or she may one day become President.
Right.
So, you do not lightly set aside the mandate of the entire nation just because gusto mong i-knock out si VP Sara para walang kalaban yung kandidato mo sa 2028. Hindi basta-basta po yan. Ganun po yan eh. So, mahigpit po ang proseso para hindi maabuso. Yan po yun.
Now, have you talked with the VP Sara just recently or have you had a
Medyo
chance?
matagal na rin. I'm not really close to VP Sara. I'm a member of the Partido Demokratiko Pilipino and she's not. So, paminsan-minsan, of course, wala, siyempre, I will not be a hypocrite by saying na hindi ko siya sinusuportahan. I am for her if she decides to run in 2028. As in fact, she has already announced.
Right.
Diba? So, suportado ko siya. Hindi naman tayo mapagkunwari eh.